Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your headphones JBL Tune 510 with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. If you see Bluetooth on other devices, you need to press on it or click Enter. After that, at the right top, we have a button Add Device and you need to click on it. Then select Bluetooth. And now we should enter prank mode on these headphones. To enter prank mode, at the bottom of the right ear cup, we have a power button. You need to press and hold it until this LED light starts flashed blue. Firstly, it flashes white. It means that your headphones is turned on, and then it should flash blue. Here we go, we have it, and now we see that the device list. Click on it, and then click Done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!